Good morning everyone. Today's my topic is Introduction to Medical Coding. Firstly, we will discuss about the definition of medical coding. Medical coding is a transformation of a patient medical record into the universal alphanumeric form. Then, what is medical record? Medical record, it simply said the patient healthcare record or patient healthcare details. It include all the information about patient history or details. Then second one is all the services, that is treatment given by doctor or physician. Then third one is the reason for what the patient is admitted in the hospital. Then what and how they are treated, that is treatment. And last one is how they are responding to the treatment, that is response or treatment. It's all are included in the medical record. So for example, if the doctor is said to the patient has colectomy. Colectomy is a procedure that is a removal of liver. The patient firstly doctor said to the patient check the sign and symptoms as well as then provide the treatment. Then doctor said to the patient that is removal of gallbladder, that is colectomy treatment is procedure is provided for that patient. So these are all the records which are transforming into the universal alphanumeric form known as medical coding. Alphanumeric form is simply said the alphabetical letter and number, 5-digit number. So next we will discuss about what the medical coder do. Medical coder can do. So the medical coder review all the records, and check the patient details. Then how to code the diseases, in alphanumeric form. Like example, asthma, which has code J45909 is the code for asthma. All the diseases are coded into the alphanumeric form like myocardial infarction, Parkinson's disease, as well as hypertension. Other diseases are also transformed into the alphanumeric form. So the next one is the type or classification of medical coding. It includes mainly 3 types, that is ICD-10, CPT, and the third one is SCPCS. ICD-10 it stands for International Classification of Disease in 10th Clinical Modification. So second one is CPT. CPT is simply said CPT is a procedural terminology. And last one is the SCPCS, that is healthcare procedural coding system. So first one is ICD-10. ICD-10, that is International Classification of Disease for the 10th clinical modification, is mainly used to code the diseases. Like example, hepatitis. Hepatitis is the inflammation of liver. It code all the diseases. It include the myocardial infarction, Parkinson's, as well as other diseases also. So the ICD-10 is universally and worldwide used. It is also used in the CPC exam like Certified Professional Coder. ICD-10 is most widely used method. Second one is CPT. CPT that is CPT, that is code for procedural terminology. Coding for procedural terminology, it include it code the procedure, it code the services like it code the medical, operational, diagnostic as well as diagnostic procedure, all the code in the CPT types. Then it include the um, hepatectomy, that is removal of liver. It is a procedure which are coded in the CPT. CPT is developed by American Medical Association. Then last one is HCPCS. HCPCS, that is healthcare procedural coding system, which are mainly used to code the equipment or services. Then we will discuss about the difference. CPT is developed by AMA, and SCPCS is developed by Medicaid and Medicare. Then CPT is used for the coding the medical or diagnostic procedure, and SCPCS is code for the equipment or services, supplies and services. Then CPT is mainly used for the outpatient and physician insurance for the United States. It is mainly the 5-digit alphanumeric code, and the SCPCS is mainly used for the equipment as well as supply and services. So it's all about the medical coding. Thank you.